So if you're an IBDP student, your HL subjects and your AP subjects are not the only thing that can demonstrate academic rigor. So many other people are also taking these HLs and the same APs, and how do you stand out? One of the ways to stand out is actually doing Olympiads that are really tough. Let's talk about computer science because that's one of the most desired majors to go outside. So let's say if you want to go for a computer science major, you've taken physics and math at an HL level and a computer science at an HL level. Just to show academic rigor, you've also taken AP computer science. What else can you do? Well, there are 3 Olympiads that I'd like to bring to your notice. The first one is the ZIO, which is Zonal Informatics Olympiad, and the second one is ZCO, which is Zonal Computing Olympiads. These Olympiads are really tough, and even people who are really proficient in Java and Python have come back and said, whoa, this one requires some help. If you qualify in ZIO, then you are actually taken to INIO, which is the next level, which is at least 100 times more difficult than ZIO. So if you do Olympiads like this, just like I said for computer science, there are Olympiads for physics, chemistry, biology that demonstrate academic rigor. And if you end up getting a rank, or maybe even if you don't, it still plays a very important role in demonstrating academic rigor. So please go ahead if you aspire to go to Ivy Leagues. This one's for you.